race GXCC round 3 today in Radium, and unfortunately due to weather conditions we are unable to. There's torrential downpour and it's made the conditions unrideable, so I thought I'd take this opportunity to walk you through my sponsored machine. I'm sponsored by VLA Racing, and they've sponsored me this incredible 2022 Sherco SE300 Factory Edition. So a little bit about my background. I've been riding motorbikes since I was 5 years old, and I've been racing them seriously since about 2014. I've been fortunate enough to race many machines, and I want to tell you just why I think the Sherco is the racing weapon straight out of the box. The Sherco can arguably be the best bang for buck straight out of the box. It comes with the best equipment as standard. Suspension, as everyone knows, is key to any racer. It makes your machine handle a lot better. It fights fatigue, making you faster. The front forks are kitted with KYBs. You've got NK triple clamps. You've got a Trail Tech computer, which tells you your max speed, your average speed, your trip 1, your trip 2. You've got a FMF header expansion exhaust, giving you an incredible low down bottom end power, a snappy mid range, and a linear pull right all the way to the top end. You've got a lightweight silencer. We've got a nice grippy saddle with a quick release, making air filters in DSPs quick to change. On the rear, we've got linkage suspension, which gives you that balance between enduro and motocross feel. We've got a carburetor, which arguably some people say is far superior to the fuel injection systems that you see on modern two-stroke motorcycles, in that the bike becomes, it's more snappy, more of a feel, as well as it's mechanically sound. It's a trusted system and it's easily adjustable. Not to say that the Sherco is completely not a modern bike at all. What they've done is they've combined the best of both worlds. They've taken the carburetor, and what they've added is an electronic power valve that allows you to map the motorcycle with 2 maps. An aggressive map for high-speed riding and an enduro map to make the bike more manageable through the snotty technical stuff. You've also got a headlight switch and an electronic fan to keep the bike cool. The bike comes equipped with a 10-litre fuel tank. When you're out on your ride training, that means you can do roughly 130 odd kilometers, meaning less time mixing gas and more time hauling gas. At the GXCCs, I'm able to run a 2-lap pit strategy, which is what you get on most 4-strokes. The difference is you don't have to spend money on a long-range tank. You can do it straight out of the box. Sherco's got a proven name in Europe. It's a winning brand. South Africa, yes, it's new to the market, but it's got a wide dealer network with backing from all the aftermarket guards like Polysport, Omega. Dealers have loads of support and backing. There's no waiting for parts. Everything is readily available, and when you come to VLA, you're met with a professional team that is passionate about racing, just like you. You deal with friends, family. You're not just a number at VLA. You are part of a community. They say seeing is believing, but here, riding is believing. Make no mistake, you don't have to take my word for it. It took me to experience just 5 minutes on this machine just to see how competent it is. It is quite literally the most versatile weapon in the shed. It went from when I first rode it to being set up for the most difficult of your enduros. Now it is a race-ready machine with small changes to the gearing, a little bit of setup on the suspension for my weight and size, and I can hang with all the 4 strokes at the GXCC 001 Pro class. I'm quite literally the only 2-stroke in the class at the moment, and I'm quite possibly the only Sherco in the Pro class. I can guarantee you though that I won't be the last. The bike's kitted with Brembo brakes front and rear, hydraulic Brembo clutch, got XL rims, and it comes standard with this 6mm thick bash plate that not only covers and protects your engine but also your linkage system. If you feel you want to protect your machine even further, we've got this incredible Omega carbon exhaust header guard, as well as this stunning Omega carbon silencer protection. We've also got a DSP aluminium rear disc protector and these wraparound handguards protecting your front brake and your clutch. If you want to experience for yourself what I've come to know and love about this bike in a short space of time, then feel free to hit me up, send me a message, DM me, or contact the professional friendly guys at VLA Racing. We'll hook you up with a test ride, anything you want to know about the bike. Riding is believing. See you out on the trails.